Judge Bender, if you had to choose one thing that you could accomplish in private practice, what would that be?
It'd be breaking the cycle of violence, Chris. It's so important that children do not live through traumatic situations. Their childhood should be full of love. It should be full of encouragement, and the reason for that is not only do those things help them progress to be productive, healthy individuals who can be in healthy relationships themselves later, but when the opposite happens and they're subject to abuse and excessive discipline, they then become engaged in domestic violence themselves. As I mentioned before, 100% of the time through my experience, 100% of the time when somebody abuses, they were abused themselves. And again, I'm going to say, just because somebody was abused doesn't mean they'll be an abuser. Many people rise above it. They realize it was wrong. They remember how they felt. They don't want to do that to their children. They don't want their children to live through seeing one parent strike another parent. But once somebody is abused, they are at risk for being involved in domestic violence. They are at risk for abusing their children. And abused children have difficulty flourishing, and well into adulthood, their growth has been stunted, and often they cannot get past the trauma until they are engaged in some type of therapy, and that could take years and years and years. So if we were to eliminate the cycle of violence, people wouldn't have to be stunted in their growth. People could flourish. As I said, our children are our future, and we need them to be innovative, and we need them to treat others as they would want to be treated, and that's how we're going to succeed as a society.